Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to import 1099-B or brokerage data into TurboTax so you can accurately report your investment sales, manage your capital gains and losses for the 2026 tax season, and ensure your professional financial records are handled with studio precision. Let's get into it. First, navigate to the Investment Income section. The first step is entering the specific technical workspace within TurboTax designed for market analysis and asset reporting. In 2026, the interface has been streamlined to help you candidly find your high-volume trading data without manual entry errors. Log into your TurboTax account, head to the Federal tab, and select Wages and Income. Scroll down until you see the section for Investments and Savings, 1099-B, 1099-INT, 1099-DIV, and Crypto. Click Start or Revisit next to this category. To maintain a professional studio standard for your bookkeeping, you need to be in the correct submenu where TurboTax's technical engine expects brokerage data. This ensures your 1099-B forms are categorized properly from the start. Next, choose your financial institution. Rather than typing in every single trade, which can lead to amateur quality mistakes, you will use the 2026 Technical Direct Import feature to pull data from your broker. When asked, did you sell stocks, bonds, or mutual funds, click Yes. Then on the search screen, type the name of your brokerage, like Robinhood, Fidelity, or Charles Schwab. Select your specific institution from the drop-down list. If you have multiple accounts, you will repeat this technical step for each one later. Connecting directly to your broker is a mechanical necessity for accuracy. It allows TurboTax to candidly pull your cost basis and sales proceeds exactly as they were reported to the IRS, saving you hours of manual technical entry. Last, authenticate and authorize the data sync. Now you need to grant the technical permissions that allowed TurboTax to securely access your professional studio financial assets. A secure pop-up window will appear. Enter your brokerage login credentials, username, and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, enter the verification code sent to your phone or email. Click Get My Form or Import. In 2026, data privacy is a high-end priority. This encrypted handshake ensures your investment scripts and trade history move into TurboTax safely, maintaining a professional bridge between your financial world and your tax return. And that's pretty much it. To import your brokerage data in 2026, navigate to Wages and Income and select Investments. Search for your financial institution, log in to authorize the import, and review the transactions for any missing cost basis info. Once you've verified the totals against your physical 1099-B, hit Continue to finalize your professional studio investment reporting for the year. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.